Good morning from the Black Country Living Museum. This is an outdoor museum in the West Midlands, a museum showing how the people lived in the past, so I think it's going to be really interesting and I'm so excited. I put on a very old-fashioned vintagey dress. It's so dark today, I can't believe it, and it's really chilly. But, oh god, I just spotted a vintage bus. Looks amazing.
Get that, so you have to make decorations, paper chains, out of newspaper, magazines and things like that. So that's what people would do, and you would use evergreens out the garden like holly and mistletoe and things like that.
We just had gluten-free fish and chips at local pubs.
Yep.
Very good. Delicious.
And we were lucky. The fish wasn't from 1930.
We just watched a 1920s Charlie Chaplin short film.
Yeah, The Champion.
The Champion.
Everybody knows it.
It was really funny. There's such a nice fire going on. Just have a look here. Peaky Blinders fans, it was shot here at the Black Country Living Museum, and I have to confess that we only watched one series and then we stopped. We decided it wasn't really for us, but I know that so many people are crazy about it, so it's an interesting fact. And the other thing is, it's absolutely great here, but I'm a bit disappointed about the Christmassy stuff. I expected a lot more to get into the mood, so that's a bit sad. Time to go home now. What a great day that was. Do you hear them? It was so nice here, but since it's so chilly, we're really looking forward to the sofa and a warm and nice cozy blanket. Hope you like this video. Expect some more Christmassy stuff from me during the coming weeks. Thought there would be more Christmas stuff around here, but since that's not the case, I will do more, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.